I think that would have not happened if the bowler would have not seen and showed me the expression. I know that there are three different minds who have led. The execution came on the heat of the moment. Go and execute that at your best ability.
Hardik, this is about captaincy. I asked Rohit also last season after IPL last year. He played in Mumbai under you, and then he became the captain of India team. So in your situation, how do you look at it? You played under Rohit and Surya, and there is also Bumrah who became India captain. How do you see the situation? Is it thrice over? And secondly, just want to ask you about your no-look uppercut, which is quite a big spectacle. What is the secret behind confidence and self-poise?
Sir, the captaincy part is that I'm lucky that I have three captains who are playing with me. So it adds more and more experience for me that if I required help, I know that there are three different minds who have led India for different formats, and with so many years of experience can be always there and they can put the arm around my shoulder and always be there for help. So I look at it that way. Now coming back to on the shot, I think that is, sir, more reactive shot. I think that would have not happened if the bowler would have not seen and showed me the expression that, yeah, it's gone for a boundary. When I played the shot, I looked at the bowler and the coach and bowler and the captain. They both put their head down and they were going back. So I knew it has gone for the boundary. So the confidence, it's from the practice, but maybe the execution came on the heat of the moment where I played the shot, they reacted like that. Then I don't need to look if it's fine. So yeah, that's it.
How do you sort of re-energize and sort of reset your button for this IPL, and is after last year's disappointing show by MI, do you sort of look to correct things there, and do you have a plan in mind how to go about it?
I mean, just play good cricket, have a lots of smile around. How do we turn around? I think the answer is by playing good cricket, being with each other at the same point of time, doing our processes right, having those plans which coaches and, all the support staff which creates. Go and execute that at your best ability, and at the same point of time, just enjoy. I think with this group, the kind of talent and the kind of ability is there. I think it's important that we enjoy and, look forward for all the games which are coming forward. So I don't think there is a rocket science to turn around things, but definitely there will be some, there will be some basic things which if we can tick box, I think this team will look very, very good.